Alright, my people, big up on yourself. Election time, stay safe out there. So where I come from, yeah. And you know what I mean, remember say Jamaica first and not party first, party after. Jamaica first. So you see me, man in the next party are your brother, man in the next party are your sister. Anyway, I have one quick story for drop. Real quick that I'm wanting to comment on that one. You see me I say if you go to Bamson watch this, comment on that one. So anyway, real quick. So we set to Bamson and I keep a party for my son a couple years back, and you know invite a couple people and a couple yardy, you know, a foreign with them thing, couple yardy come over and thing. So anyways, my wife goes and clog the kitchen sink, you see me? And when she goes about and clog the sink, when I might charge them running and say, yo, when I yard man them running and say, yo, I plumbing me doing and I can rope. So yeah, I'm say, alright, boom, boom, bam, fix it now, you see me? So dad goes about and fix it. You know, I go back out and I burn some weed and I chill, you see me? 2 toes, my wife come out and say, yo, your virgin asked for the plunger. Some say, which plunger? She said, one from the toilet. Some say, yo, how can I fuck with this man on the pan? I'm going there to the man and say, yo, my lad, what kind of plunger you ask for? The man say, yeah, I need a plunger from the toilet to plunge or unclog the sink, brother. So I say, yo, no, brother, I can't use the plunger. I use plunge toilet for plunge the sink before we look after your frost. So I say, yo, just wash it off with a little bleach. I say, what the mama bumbo clad, brother? You dip on crack. So anyway, I said to Bamson that I'm gonna say, yo, yeah, what that? I got, you know, go to Bamson and go buy a brand new, you know, small sink plunger. I want to make for that right now. If me have to stop halfway at the party, what me I do? Me I go do it right now, that. But me don't need you for do what you ask me to do. You see me? But anyways, long story short is this. That was my decision because I don't play them type of game there. Anyways, tell me in the comment what you would have done. What would be your choice in this scenario? Because for me, I find it extra weird. You see me I say? Extra weird, say a yardie. Watch you know, my wife was surprised and she and a yardie in a virgin and she was surprised because she herself and say, yo, plunger to come put in a kitchen. I mean, I think my husband gonna like this. So I saw she come to me, I never go feed, you see me? But yeah, I say still, let me know when I comment, you know what I mean, what kind of vibe I feel on that type of fuckery, you see?